Hey y'all, Steve with SBL Games. I just wanted to cover this real quick because I haven't really seen them on YouTube. I'm sure there probably is some already. However, most importantly, I wanted to kind of show my method. Obviously, it's not a new thing, the heat to get it off. However, instead of taking basically the whole thing apart, which I've heard of people doing, and actually, quite honestly, I used to think was required when I first started doing these switches, and then I found out the easy way. So once I get this heated up for a bit more, I'll flip it around, I'll show you what I mean. And this is going to be another short video. I've been really backed up. Yes, I haven't had really much time at all. But we are holding a giveaway. We hold monthly giveaways for a free repair. No purchase necessary. You just send an email showing what you did to promote SBL Games. Let us know the device and issue that you have and why you feel that you should win. Because it's been years since anyone has entered. So what I've actually been doing is I just pick people randomly. And since it's not really spoke about on the website, unfortunately, like it was in the past, people don't know about it. And when I say you're the winner, and they go, "What? Are you joking? How much? What's the total? Is it that much?" And different little stuff like that. And they go, "No, it's not a joke. You really won, and you know, you're all good. Just need your signature." All right. So anyhow, get that out of your guys' way so you could see. So now that it's all heated up, this should pull up fairly easy. And since this screen is already damaged, we don't have to worry about damaging it. So that's a good thing too. Okay, I need my other tweezers. Damn it, where the hell are my other tweezers? Alright. Just do exercise caution. There are little cables around here. You do not want to tear them. So when you're doing this part, this is where the cables are. So you just go really slow. You see that cable right there? Go really slow. Don't let it slip. Take your time. See, and it's still. There we go. And that is honestly the best way to remove it. Oh. Let go. Okay, and that is the best way to go. Then you just reuse the adhesive on the new one and reassemble. But there you go, Steve with SBL Games, signing out.